In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Notion app step by step. This is a simple process, but if you're new to Notion or using it across multiple devices, it can sometimes be confusing to find the logout option. Whether you're switching accounts, logging out on a shared computer, or just want to secure your workspace, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you have the Notion app open on your device. This works for the desktop app as well as the web version, and the steps are very similar. Once Notion is open, look at the top corner of the screen where your profile icon or avatar is displayed. This usually shows your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on your profile icon to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to your account settings, workspace options, and other preferences. Next, inside this menu, you'll see the name of your current workspace. In this example, it's labeled as AYT Space. Click on your workspace name to expand the workspace options. This step is important because the logout option is located inside this menu, not directly on the main screen. After clicking on your workspace name, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and workspace. Scroll down slightly and you'll see the logout option. Once you see logout, simply click on it. Notion will immediately log you out of your account and you'll be taken back to the Notion login screen. At this point, your session is fully ended and your account is no longer accessible on this device unless you log back in. This is especially important if you're using Notion on a public or shared computer, as it helps keep your notes, projects, and private information secure. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out of the Notion app in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, app tutorials, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.